Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate very cool pixelated image out of any image you want, and you can do it without any application or software. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open Chrome browser, and in the search bar you need to search for Pixel Meet Tokyo. You can see the exact spelling. Just simply search for it, and here you're gonna see this first website which appear right in front of you. Just simply open the first website, and now once the website gets loads, it will ask you to upload a image of which you want to generate the pixelated image. You can see currently this website will open like this. Now here, and when you scroll down, you have to go to this option which is select from library. When you click over there, you need to select any of the image. For example, if I select this image, now wait for it to generate the desired output. It will take some of the time, and the process will be very smooth, and your pixelated image will be generated right in front of you. For example, if I selected this image, now you can see a pixelated version for the same image has been generated for me. Now I can directly save the image and use anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.